Hello, I'm Ryan and I'm here today to introduce you to the Gala Shade Pro 40 pop-up gazebo, available exclusively to buy from Gala Tent. The Pro 40 is a lightweight aluminium structure, but don't let its lightness deceive you. This is absolutely a commercial grade structure and it has many features that set it apart from all of the other gazebos in the mid-range market. So let's start with the framework. Well, the Pro 40 has a 40mm hexagonal leg on its aluminium framework. Why hexagon? Well, the hexagon is widely renowned to be one of the strongest shapes that you can get. The weight and the force is distributed evenly around all of its surfaces, making it a much stronger shape than a circle or a square, for example. So the outer joints and fixings of the Pro 40 are our classic hammer-tested nylon, which is available on the Pro DX and the Pro MX frames. However, the central most weight-bearing joint, the central one, is profile aluminium. The peak pole has an external spring which allows it to act as suspension, so in windy weather, the wind's hitting it, that spring takes the strain from it, which takes the strain off of other parts of the gazebo. The canopy is our classic 600 denier PVC coated polyester, which is available in 12 different colours and is extremely water resistant. So who is the Pro 40 perfect for? Well, it's as comfortable being used occasionally in the home and garden as it is regularly for business people. The lightweight frames of the 3x3 and the 3x4.5 can be safely erected by one person, so they're really popular with mobile valeters, detailers, vehicle restoration professionals, for example. Other industry sectors that it might be perfect for are hot tub hirers, charity fundraisers or crafters and traders that appear at seasonal shows. If you're doing markets every day or you're in motorsport, I would recommend that you look at the Pro 50 or the Pro 60. So let's talk weight and dimensions. This gazebo's got 5 adjustable height settings, and on its highest setting at the highest point, the peak pole stands at 328 centimetres. The folded down frame stands at 170 centimetres in length and between 32 and 52 centimetres in width depending on the model. That's pretty compact. I mentioned it was lightweight. The 3 metres by 3 metres weighs in at 28 kilograms with the canopy. The 3x4.5 is 36 kilograms and the 3x6 is 53 kilograms. So what do you get in the box? With the Pro 40 you'll receive the frame and the canopy in a colour of your choosing. Sidewalls are an optional extra because not everybody wants them, and we like to give our customers the freedom to build their own perfect gazebo bundle. Other recommended accessories for the Pro 40 would be the wheeled storage bag. This is especially recommended for commercial use when you want to take your gazebo out and about, and because these gazebos are fairly heavy, it'll make for a much easier process of getting them from A to B. Ground bars are a must-have accessory. They connect one leg to the next, keeping them firmly fixed in situ and stopping them from moving in odd angles when the gazebo is moved, either by humans or Mother Nature. This protects the entire gazebo from accidental damage. If you've got sidewalls, then ground bars also act as a tether for the lower half of the walls in windy conditions because they run through a sleeve that's stitched into the walls, keeping them taut and your gazebo looking smart. So Gala tent structures are incredibly strong tents, but they do need to be anchored effectively. If you don't anchor your tent and a big gust of wind comes up, no matter where you are, no matter what the model of that gazebo, it's going to get taken away. There's no two ways about it, so you must anchor your tent effectively. So what anchorage do we offer here at Gala Tent? The first one is the 13 kilogram cast iron weight. Now these weights are, if you see the dimples on there, they're built for stacking, so you can add as many as you want per leg. We recommend 2. Now those are sold in packs of 2 weights. Also sold in packs of 2 weights are the gazebo leg weight bags. Now these are a canvas tubular construction. You'd fill that with sand or gravel, strap it to the legs, and that'll also give you 13 kilograms of weight. So it travels exceptionally light, but it also is incredibly effective. Also, for if you're wanting something a little bit more robust, we've got the Gala Tent PVC water weight bags. So these are, they travel extremely light, but you fill that with water, you're going to get 50 kilograms of anchorage per unit. That is sold with a ratchet strap already, so you can attach it to your tent and anchor your gazebo quickly. If you are on softer ground, however, so such as grass or soil, then we have the heavy duty storm kits. These are sold with 2 pegs, 2 ratchet straps, and that is going to, 1 per leg, and that is effectively going to anchor your tent. We do also offer a slightly more basic version which has got thinner straps and smaller pegs, but again, there's no such thing, too much anchorage on your gazebo. Take some of these, weight it down as well, you're going to have the only tent that's still standing in a storm. I talked about the water weights travelling extremely light, but what if you don't have a water supply at the event that you're going to be at? Well, these concrete blocks will offer you 40 kilograms of anchorage. These are sold individually or in packs of 4 or 10. You do get better discounts for taking more of them. So one final top tip from me when it comes to tying down your gazebo is when you're using ratchet straps or tie downs of any sort, do not use the D-ring that's on the corner of the canopy. That's purely for pulling the canopy tight over your structure to ensure that you've got a nice crisp canopy on there. When you're wrapping a ratchet strap or when you're using a ratchet strap with your gazebo, it's a strong piece of kit. Don't be scared of using the framework in the corner at the top of the leg. And that was the Gala Shade Pro 40 pop-up gazebo from Gala Tent. If this sounds like the tent for your needs, but you're really not sure, then why not give our team a call on 01709 242454 and have a chat to the experts now. We offer genuine, reliable advice. Thanks for watching.